The apt theme of honoring freedom, inspiring the future, is so apt and resonates with what Mahatma Gandhi stated. I quote, "The future depends on what you do today." I unquote. We gather here not only to remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters, but also to turn their courage into a daily inspiration and put it into action. Every year, we celebrate this day to remind ourselves of the journey that brought us here, to reiterate our dreams, renew our plans, and rekindle our determination to contribute to a stronger, fairer, and brighter India. Honoring freedom means cherishing the values of unity, resilience, and justice. It also means showing respect to our elders, learning from their experiences, and holding on to a strong faith in ourselves, our community, and our nation's potential. Inspiring the future entails creating a nation that is inclusive, where every voice matters, constructive, where learning comes from exploration and experience, and sustainable, where we live the ideals of sustainable development goals in our everyday lives. Dear students, I urge you to be the change makers. Think big, dream boldly, and act with courage. Work together, share ideas, and lift one another up. Explore without fear, try without hesitation, and learn from every step. You are the torchbearers of tomorrow, and it is in your hands to carry the light of progress into the future. Let kindness, respect, and gratitude be the way of your life. I would repeat, let kindness, respect, and gratitude be the way of your life. Keep your faith strong and let hard work be the cornerstone of your success. So today, as our tricolor rises high, let it remind you that freedom is not a gift to be kept. It is a responsibility to be lived. Carry forward the spirit of our heroes in your thoughts, your words, and your actions. Let your integrity be unshakable, your compassion be boundless, your respect for wisdom be deep, and your vision be limitless. Together, let us build an India that is not only free, but fearless, not only strong, but just, not only proud, but truly great. I would leave you with a message by Swami Vivekananda. I quote, "Take up one idea, make that one idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, live in that idea," I unquote. Just like the inception of the idea of creating Trio schools. This powerful message reminds us that when we anchor ourselves to a single purpose and work towards it with unwavering dedication, we not only shape our own destiny, but also inspire the generations to come. Just like the inception of this idea of Trio schools, I would like to thank Naveen sir, Manjunath sir for thinking of this idea and that idea turning into reality today, and many more accolades that will be added by our students in the years to come. Thank you all. Jai Hind.
upon a time, in the heart of the East, there flourished a land of immeasurable wealth, knowledge and culture. Bharat, known to the world as India. For centuries, India stood as a beacon of prosperity. Her lands were rich with gold. Universities of Nalanda and Takshashila, to the grandeur of the Mughal courts and the vibrant dynasties of the south. India was a jewel in the crown of the world, not of empires, but of civilization itself. But alas, in the 17th century, foreign traders from the British Isles, under the guise of commerce, arrived on our shores. What began as trade soon turned into tyranny. The British East India Company, with cunning and force, took control, and in 1858, the British Crown seized direct power. India, once the Sone ki Chidiya, the golden bird, was plundered. Her industries were dismantled, her people subjected to oppression, her wealth siphoned off to foreign lands. Famines, forced labor, and injustice followed. Yet the spirit of India did not die. From the ashes rose heroes and freedom fighters, voices that was an Indian aristocrat and fighter who led the siege of Cawnpur against British East India Company.
inspire generations. Her story represents women's empowerment and stands as a testament to courage, resilience, and the pursuit of justice.
Jai Hind, give me blood and I will give you freedom are the powerful slogans of Subhash Chandra Bose, also known as Netaji, was a prominent leader in India's independence movement. He led the Indian National Army, also known as the Azad Hind Force.
ये जिंदगी है कौम की तू कौम पे लुटाए जा कदम कदम बढ़ाए जा खुशी के गीत गाए जा ये जिंदगी है कौम की तू कौम पे लुटाए जा दुश्मनों का सर जो वतन बढ़ाए तू शेर हिंद आगे बढ़ मरने से फिर भी तुम न डर उड़ा के दुश्मनों का सर जो वतन बढ़ाए कदम कदम बढ़ाए खुशी के गीत गाए ये जिंदगी है कौम की तू कौम पे
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, reverently called Mahatma and Bapu, was an Indian lawyer, anti-colonial nationalist and political ethicist. Gandhi's impact on India and the world is undeniable. He remains a powerful symbol of peace, justice and the transformative power of non-violent resistance. Raghupati Raghav Raja
colonizers, but her own legacy. And though she was invaded, she has risen again, stronger, wiser, and forever free.
अपना है दिल ये आज का, दुनिया से जाके बोल दो, ऐसे जागो रे साथियों, दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो, लहरा दो, लहरा दो, लहरा
माथे पे तिलक जय हिंद लगा वो मेरी निशानी है।
After gaining independence in 1947, India emerged as a sovereign, democratic nation guided by visionary leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and the adoption of its progressive constitution in 1950. The country began its journey of rebuilding and transformation.
In the decades that followed, India witnessed remarkable milestones such as the Green Revolution of the 1960s and 70s, which ensured self-sufficiency in food production, and the development of nuclear capabilities in 1974 and 1998, while continuing to advocate for peace. The economic liberalization of 1991 opened doors to rapid growth and global investment, establishing India as a major player on the world stage. India's advancements in science and technology have been equally impressive. The Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, launched successful missions like Mangalyaan to Mars and Chandrayaan-3 to the Moon, and is now preparing for the ambitious crewed Gaganyaan mission. The country has also become a global IT and software powerhouse since the 1990s, while expanding education and initiating social reforms to empower every citizen. The Digital India Mission modernized Governance 23. India proudly hosted the G20 summit, showcasing its leadership in global affairs and commitment to sustainable development. Today, India stands tall as a resilient, forward-looking nation, built on the dreams of its freedom fighters and the strength of its people.
जयतु जयतु भारतम् जयतु जयतु भारतम् विश्व प्रेम की बाढ़ चदरिया
जगा भारत
प्रेम की ओट चदरिया सच्चे सुर में गाता है।
एक सुरीली आशा लेकर सूरज नए उगाता है।
विश्व प्रेम चादर ढेके सुंदर शूरे गानाई सिन्नमिळ्वारिल पुदिय പൊൻവിടിയൽ ആയിരമാലവൻ തോന്നിടുന്നേ
विश्व प्रेमाची ओढ चादर खऱ्या सुरांनी गाता है।
एक सुनेने आशा लईने सूरज नवो